I'm over here doing the. Oh, come on, Forrest. Let it go, get it. Oh, almost. Come on. You did it. Oh. That's cheating.
Looks like it's so much strength.
At least he still holds on, so that's good.
That's crazy.
Now she's a natural. She's swinging it back and forth like nothing. There you go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. You good? So check it out. We're in Santa Monica right now, and they doing what is this? The swings. We trying out the swings. Mira. Está cabrón esta madre, eh? I just gotta let you know. Look, we even got a crowd over here for the kids. Let's go. Almost. Again, you can do it again. Natural right here. You got this. Come on. What's Spider-Man's name? Oh, he made it look easy. This is exciting, huh? We should bring all the kids right here.